Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how carpets are made on a large scale. The carpet making process begins with wool scouring. First, the wool is unpacked. Next, the wool undergoes a visual inspection. Skilled workers examine the wool to assess its quality and identify visible contaminants, such as large pieces of vegetation or excessive dirt. This inspection helps categorize the wool into different grades based on cleanliness and fiber quality. After the inspection, the wool is sorted and blended, and then it must go through an initial cleaning process. This involves using mechanical methods to remove large contaminants, such as twigs, leaves, and thorns. The wool is passed through machines equipped with rollers and shakers that eliminate the larger debris. After the initial shaking, the wool enters a series of warm, soapy baths. The wool is soaked in water mixed with specially formulated detergents designed to break down and remove natural lanolin, oils, and dirt. Each soak works deeper into the fibers, gradually cleaning the wool. This thorough washing ensures that all impurities are removed, making the wool cleaner and brighter with each bath. After the washing process, the wool is squeezed to remove as much water as possible, reducing energy consumption during drying. The wool is then dried in automatic dryers until it reaches the proper moisture level. Once dry, the wool is pressed into final packaging, which will later be used for the yarn making process at the spinning mill. After the scouring and washing process, the wool undergoes combing and carding before being converted or spun into yarn, which will eventually become the raw material in the carpet making process. In the carding and combing process, the wool from the scouring process is then opened up and passed through several machine processes. The wool that comes from the scouring process is then fed into a blending machine, which shreds and mixes the wool. During the carding process, the fibers are opened and mixed to produce a uniform web. The carding rollers have pins that function like a hairbrush, teasing out the fibers and removing impurities. After carding, the web-like wool is condensed into thin slivers. Then, the thin slivers pass through a gilling machine 3 to 5 times, turning them into thick, long slivers. The gilling process combs all the fibers in parallel, making them smooth and lustrous. The slivers then go through a spinning process similar to woolen spun yarn, though thicker. Great care is taken during the manual threading process to ensure the yarn is evenly produced. At this stage, the yarn is loosely spun, forming a soft, rope-like structure. The process of making carpets using wool yarn begins with the intricate task of drawing the carpet pattern. Skilled designers create detailed designs, often by hand or using specialized software, outlining every element of the carpet's appearance. Once the pattern is finalized, a small-scale version of the carpet is produced. This prototype is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it allows the artisans to test the design, ensuring that the colors, shapes, and details translate well from the drawing to the actual wool yarn. In the factory, the process of preparing the wool yarn for weaving begins. The wool yarn is selected for its durability and softness, ensuring that the finished carpet will be both beautiful and long-lasting. The yarn undergoes several treatments, including washing and dyeing, to achieve the desired color and texture. Once treated, the yarn is wound onto spools, ready to be threaded onto the loom. This preparation is critical, as the quality of the yarn directly impacts the carpet's overall appearance and durability. After the weaving is complete, the carpet undergoes a series of finishing processes, including shearing the pile to a uniform height, to ensure the carpet is even and smooth. The edges are then secured, and the carpet is thoroughly inspected to ensure it meets all quality standards before being considered finished. The result is a beautiful wool carpet that embodies intricate designs and skilled craftsmanship in its creation, ready to bring warmth and elegance to any room.